This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Mercedes-Benz C300. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a sunroof, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a pollen filter, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 404 Pennsylvania Avenue in Fort Washington. We look forward to serving you.